Hello, I'm Joseph Kateri, and today I'm teaching you how to get custom sabers. So in my last video, I tried to beat a world record, and while I was editing just now, it's the same day, I realized I was using custom sabers and I never really explained how to get them. And here we are. Stay tuned because I actually have two methods on how to get custom sabers. Alright, so first things first, go on Beat Saber on Steam and make sure that it is fully updated. You can easily check this by just looking to see if this green play button is here. If it is here, that means it's already updated. These two methods are for 1.16.2 Beat Saber on Steam. Alright, now I'm going to show you the steps that need to be done regardless of if you use method 1 or 2. So go ahead and right click Beat Saber, click Manage, and browse local files. Now this will come up. Now, yours might have a lot less files than mine, and that's perfectly fine as mine is already modded. Now you're gonna go ahead and just keep this open, and then open the mod assistant link that is in the description. It should bring you up to this website. You're gonna scroll down, click download here, and it's gonna bring you to this page, and you just need to go to the assets at the bottom and click modassistant.exe and it will install it for you. Here's mine on my desktop, it's all installed, modassistant.exe. I'm just gonna open it up. And it's going to do this loading mod thing, and it's going to make you go through this loading process, which is perfectly fine, it's normal. We're going to go ahead and ignore all of this for now and just go straight to options. Now make sure all of yours are the same as mine except for this install folder, because yours will be different. So make sure you have detect installed mods checked off, reinstall install mods checked, show one click installer window, set that to yes, and game type Steam. In the bottom left hand corner, it should say game version. Make sure it's on 1.16.2. And then this application theme, the only acceptable ones that I approve of are dark mode and light pink mode. I don't want to see any light users in the comments below. Now for this install folder, you see this folder that we came up? I'm just going to put this to the side right here. So they're side to side. Now you see this bar at the top. You just click it or double click it and it'll show you the path that your Beat Saber is in actually. So as you can see, mine is in the C drive, program files, x86, then Steam apps, then common, and then we have the Beat Saber folder. Now you're going to go ahead and just click select folder on Mod Assistant and then go to this location, alright? Go to C, go to program files x86, go to Steam apps, common, and Beat Saber. And I'll show how to do it right now. I'll do it for mine. So C drive, then program files x86, then it says to go to Steam, and then Steam apps, and then common. And here's my Beat Saber, and I just click open and then save. That's it. Alright, now that you got that, you can go ahead and just minimize this for now, put this full screen, and I'm gonna go to the mods on the side. Now, I have a lot of mods installed and you don't need to have as many as I do. I'm just going to show you how to install the core files today and the sabers specifically. So you're going to want to have BSIPA, you're going to want model downloader, and finally you're going to want Saber Factory. So go ahead and just check that. And then near the bottom under tweaks/tools, it's going to have Saber Tailor. This one's optional. You don't need it to get the actual sabers themselves, but it allows to do really small tweaks such as the grip, the saber length, the saber width, the trail appearance, just really small things. And honestly, I don't think I've ever messed with it, but it is an option out there for you. So those are the saber mods required. Now some of the required mods is again BSIPA at the top, which I told you about already. And then there's custom JSON data, _hex, BS utils, Beat Saber markup language, Sierra util, ENA parser, Score Saber sharp, and Beat Saber sharp. Now those are required and honestly they're probably already checked off for you. By default they're checked off for a lot of people. As you can see, these two, they're actually auto selected for me, so I can't so it's going to install regardless. Anything that is default installed, that's fine, just keep it, even if you don't think it's necessary. Now I'm going to go ahead and click install, and at the bottom it's going to say installing all these different mods, and then after a few seconds it should finish. There you go, finished installing mods at the bottom there. Now we're actually pretty much done with Mod Assistant, so I'm just going to go ahead and minimize that. And now I'm actually going to go ahead and launch Beat Saber. Alright, and then afterward you can go ahead and just quit out of Beat Saber. I opened it up for like 10 seconds and then closed it, just made sure I was in the menu. Now the reason we did that is so that we can check if the files have fully installed from Mod Assistant. So go ahead and open that file directory that had Beat Saber in it, And now you should see these new folders inside, such as plugins, maybe custom campaigns, maybe custom sabers, but at least plugins. So when you open the plugins folder, it should have all your mods listed there. Now, if it doesn't have the mods listed there, then you messed up something in Mod Assistant. So you either have to go back in the settings of Mod Assistant and make sure the Beat Saber folder is selected, or you have to just uninstall and reinstall all the mods. Now, there should be a custom sabers folder that installed. And if it didn't make a custom sabers folder, go ahead and just right click anywhere, click new, make a new folder, and name it custom sabers, exactly like this. Alright, now we can go ahead and just minimize this. Again, don't close it because we will still need it. Alright, at this point, now it splits off into method 1 or method 2. Now, I prefer method 2 because it allows for a lot more customization. You can do a lot of sabers all at once. The sabers are often more unique because it is community oriented, and you can do it all right from your PC instead of having to go into VR and use the annoying controllers to type everything and look everything up. Alright, now I'll go into method 1, and later on in the video I'll go over method 2, so stick around for that. Okay, so for method 1 we're actually gonna hop into VR, so let's go. Alright, so now we're in the menu of Beat Saber. Sorry it looks so weird, I messed up the FOV in my settings. So on the left side you just have a mod section, right? So you're gonna go ahead and go to more models, and then it's gonna bring up model downloader, and this is where you can just have a list of all your sabers. I think this is very inefficient because again you have to use the controllers, but we're gonna go ahead and just find one that we like. I actually have this one installed already. This one looks kind of cool. Ooh, spinny spin Wii. Oh, so spin so fast. That one's nice. So you see a download and a preview button at the bottom there. Go ahead and click download on that. Alright, and let's just go back. And then go to Saber Factory on the left side. And then you can see it actually have it installed right there. But normally you're going to have to restart your game. I think I just got lucky that it already popped up, but normally you do have to restart. You just click it, and now you have that saber selected actually, so we're gonna go ahead and go back. And then let's just see if it's working. And as you can see, well, you can't see very well, but we do have the custom saber selected. You can't easily tell by the video because the FOV is so weird, but as you can see, it has a trail on it. And the normal sabers do not have a trail, so you know they're not normal sabers. But yes, the new ones are installed now and ready to go. And I am now realizing that I can't even include the sound to this because I will get copyright striked. How nice. My last video, beating the world record, actually did get copyright striked, so that's kind of interesting. Alright, so that was method 1, the method that I personally don't like, and now we're gonna go ahead and go to method 2. Alright, before I show you the second method, go ahead and like and subscribe if you want more content from me. It means a lot and it only takes 5 seconds. Alright, for method 2, you will still need to have those mods installed like I said earlier, except now you can actually look up the sabers and browse sabers online and on your computer and just drag them into your game files. This is a lot better than having to go through that like annoying controller routine where you have to click and then search and then just preview one at a time and go through a list like in the actual Beat Saber game. Alright, to find these custom saber, whoops, let's just wait. Now, you may be wondering, how do I find these sabers? Where do I get them? I can actually help with that. So if you go into the description, it's going to be the first thing. There is a Discord link. You're going to go ahead and click it and accept the invite. Alright, so this is actually my personal Discord. I literally just made this like yesterday. So once you join this, you're gonna go ahead and just go to server access, and then you're gonna go ahead and click this thumbs up button right here. That'll give you a verification role so you can see the rest of the server. Obviously these are all privated and you can only see these 5 right here, or 6. But once you click that thumbs up, then you have access to pretty much all of the server. Now there's a lot of cool things like just chatting, memes, and you can actually look for teammates in games like Valorant. There's even promotion channels, so if you post on Instagram, YouTube like me, you can actually promote your content in this channel called promotions. But anyways, for sabers, you're gonna go under game chats and click this Q sabers. Now just a reminder, you need to be verified by clicking this thumb before you do anything. So once you're in this Q sabers channel, I personally upload these sabers that I find online, and all credit goes to the original creators from the cosmetics community and the Beat Saber modeling group. These are the names. I always put the names of who made them right here. So I really like this diamond blade saber, so I'm gonna go ahead and click download on it. Alright, and now I just download it to my desktop, diamondblade.saber, and you're gonna go ahead and just open up this file explorer that has your Beat Saber in it, like I said for you to keep open, and then go ahead and just drag it into the custom sabers folder. Again, if you don't have a custom sabers folder, it's alright, just right click, click new folder, and create a custom sabers folder with this exact name. And again, make sure you have all your mods properly installed. Alright, and that should be it actually. Now you have a custom saber installed onto Beat Saber. Now again, the reason I like this method so much is because you can get so many sabers at once. You can get all these community sabers that often look so much better, and you can all do it from your PC instead of having to mess around in VR, waste your controller's battery, stuff like that. It's just a lot more efficient and customizable to do it with method 2, joining my Discord and just doing it on PC. I have gotten permission to use these designs directly from the Discord group, such as cosmetics, and it is on screen right now. And now we're gonna go ahead and just start up Beat Saber, and then let's go. Alright, we're in the menu once again. Now we're gonna go ahead and just go to all of our sabers like we did earlier, and then just go ahead and click reload all, and then right there. And as you can see, I'm using the sabers right here. And I've gotta say, these are probably one of my favorite sabers out there. So by now you should have 2 methods, one is better than the other, on how to get custom sabers in your Beat Saber game. If this video is helpful to you, I create lots of VR and gaming content, so make sure you subscribe before leaving the video. Hit the bell or join my Discord to receive updates on when I upload on YouTube or TikTok, which is basically every Wednesday at 3 PM Eastern. And you can find links to my TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and even music I used in this video down in the description below. Thank you and have a nice day.